22nd of February 2025. I'm getting ready for the breeding season. I take all my cages out. Everything is out. I need to clean my shed properly, set up all the lighties, get ready for next month or next 2 months for breeding season. Everything is out. All the cages is cleaned. I cleaned them a few days ago. Everything is out. All birds outside getting some sun. It's a lovely day today. This is inside my shed. I paint my shed if you like in the summer times. Just take everything out, clean everything. I've got these lights. I need to go around all the cages. What I done from yesterday, I put my times up, you know, every day, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, till 12, 13 hours a day from March. So this is the shed before, and I show you after. I clean the floor, I clean the walls, they've been sprayed, I clean them all. Floor nice and clean. Just ready to put the cages back in and put the lights. All the side is clean. I spray everything. It's ready to put the cages back. 2.5 hours later, everything is done. All cages nice and clean. The shed is nice and clean. All the lights, I put the lights on. I've got some more bird to pick up next week. All the cages ready here, all cleaned for the new birds. And what I done, I put some foam in the corners. I had some mouse problem last year, so what I done this year, I put some foam in the corner. They was eating the flooring and the wood, so this year I put some foam in the corners. Hopefully this will stop them. Usually I clean my shed every day. Only last year's breeding season I had a few mouse. Hopefully this year's no problem at all. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. I will post more video starting next week. We will have more videos in breeding seasons, tips, videos. If you got any questions, leave the comment below. I will help you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.